You can easily fix P219C engine code by cleaning the MAF sensor. This means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected that the air-fuel mixture in cylinder number 1 is not within the acceptable range compared to other cylinders. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. Mass airflow sensor is a device in a car that measures the amount of air entering the engine. It is located on the left side of the engine compartment attached to the air cleaner housing. A faulty MAF sensor can result in a rough idle, and you may have trouble starting your car and experience poor fuel economy. So here is the practical solution to fix the P219C error code at home. MAF sensor. Carefully remove the mass sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. So here is the practical solution to fix the P219C error code at home. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen, Nissan, Toyota, Ford, and Hyundai. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.